Guys, this is a quick guide on how to use an Excel Xlookup function. The very first thing that we need to do, we type equal sign because it is a function. Then we type XL, it is going to give us an Xlookup. Then from there we can see what Xlookup exactly does. It searches a range or an array for a match and return the corresponding item from a second range, yes, or any array. So we are going to double click on that, then after that we are going to see the arguments that are going into the Xlookup function. The first argument is the lookup value. The lookup value is the value which we know, and it is the value that we want to look up from a certain array. In this case, it is the lookup value that we are going to look up from the lookup array. In this case, it is the retail price, the individual retail price that we want to look up from the cost column. Then once we find it from the cost column, we are going to return the corresponding discount category. That is A, B, C, or D. Now, that is the lookup value. We just type into it, or we just click, comma, then lookup array. The lookup array is the cost column. We are going to select the whole cost column, but make sure you do not select the cost itself or the heading itself, because it does not form part of that. Then make sure you lock. The second one or the third one is the return array. The return array is now the array from where we want to return the individual values. In the discount category, again we are going to select the whole of that. Again we lock it. Then the last one in this case, that other one can wait. The last one in this case is the match type. It is not exact match because these values are just falling within a range. Now it is going to be the exact match or next smaller item. Double click or just type -1, close the bracket, then do like that. Then the last thing I'm going to do, I just want to copy this formula up to the bottom. You double click, then you can now come here. The retail price 1,695 is supposed to be category B because it is falling between 1,000 and 10,000. 10,995 is supposed to be category C because it is falling between 10,000 and 25,000. Any value